all in all, it's just another brick in the wall. So what do we have today? We've got some pretend burgers. Some Beyond burger with new meteor taste. Let's see how it is. Look at that. It almost looks like meat substance, doesn't it? Almost. As many of you already know, I am a confirmed omnivore. I love my meat, my beef, my pork, but I also try vegan. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. I found as a general rule, if it tries to pretend to be meat, it sucks. And if it's not trying to be meat, it's just whatever, soybeans or black beans or whatever, it can be pretty tasty. Anyway, some original seasoning. I've been trying to eat better lately, so ain't been many smash burgers or any of the fatty stuff. Don't make the mistake of thinking that this stuff is healthier than beef. It's full of chemicals, and the fat and calorie content's just as bad or worse as than a regular hamburger. Let's take a look, shall we? Look at this. 230 calories per 17% sodium, 18% total fat, 25% saturated fat. It does have 40% protein and some added vitamins because, you know, they can do anything because it's not real meat. But yeah, it's like I said, definitely not low calorie, not low fat, but it's food substance ish. Got my griddle turned up kind of medium-ish. We'll wait for some juices to come up, and they're getting there. I don't know if this works, covering it with the dome with regular burgers helps get all that moisture inside, and you get meaty burgers, or juicy meaty burgers. I haven't tried this with the fake meat. Let's see if it does anything, huh? So, nice day, huh? Pretty day? Yes, it is. That's all I've got to say about that. It's summertime, and it's hot. Wish I remembered the lyrics to that sultry song, summertime and the living is easy, something like that. I don't know. I make it up as I go along anyway. Remember, our motto is, we screw up so you don't have to. So, we're getting juices. We're getting some browning about a third of the way up. Let's see what we got here, huh? Oh, look at that. Nice sear. Almost looks like a hamburger, huh? Yes? No? Maybe? Let's add a little bit more of the shallot. This is a local butcher shop who has awesome meats. Lately I've been using their seasoning because I got it in the gift box at Christmas, and there's a ton in here. Salt, garlic, spices, sugar and parsley, some other stuff. So the sugar is unusual. I add a little paprika and pepper to my mix, but this isn't bad. Like I said, their meats are delicious. So, okay, let's pause here, and I won't make you sit through the boring part, but we'll be back shortly. You know what I just remembered? Bread. I want to toast my bread a little. We have rye bread. Let's see if we can slide that over a little. Maybe scrape off the fake meat. And I'm gonna cheat. I often do. Ham. Butter flavored Pam. It works. It's no telling what kind of weird chemicals is in here. Oh, coconut oil and canola oil, palm oil. It's oil. So get a little bit of toast going on. Sometimes I use ranch dressing as my butter. Sometimes I use mayo. Sometimes I use fake butter. Sometimes I use real butter. Don't hardly ever use fake butter known as margarine anymore, because butter. But let's see, getting a lot of smoke. Ooh. I guess it's done. I guess our bread better get a move on. Oh, look at, In fact, I better turn this off. Get this other toasty. Oh, 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 hot. Oh, almost burnt. Go ahead and take this off so it doesn't burn. Let it cool a little. Coolio. Do a little water squirting and a little bit of scraping. Seasoning especially likes to stick on my griddle. I don't know about yours, but it definitely sticks. Ow, that's hot on mine. But that's much cleaner. Much cleaner. Okay. Got my spatula or my thing wiped down there. Clean my spatula a little. Let's can't eat burger bites, so dill pickle mustard. I like this stuff. Only thing I don't like is a little chunk of pickle will get stuck in the opening and nothing will squeeze out. So you squeeze harder and then it all kind of splooges out everywhere. And that's happened more than what, in fact, it's trying to happen this very moment. Something is stuck. And I believe it's a pickle. A chunk of pickle. They really need to work on that. Shake it a little more. Okay. Nothing is coming out. I know you can't see. I'm sorry. If I could do a better job, I'd rotate the camera around. What I will show you is I got mustard all over my fingers. So now I'm not going to touch the camera at all because yuckos. It's everywhere. Stupid mustard. Okay. This is what it looks like. Can you see? Can you see? It's It's okay. Let me wipe my fingers before I touch you. It's not beef, but it's close. So I'll give it that. I'm not sure if the dome helped or not, sealing in the moisture, because it's fake moisture, fake juices. The mustard helps because it's everywhere. Seasoning helps a little. It's okay. It was on sale, so I don't feel bad for buying it this time. Anyway, that's all we've got, y'all. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing your helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!